Hi everybody, from Barbara. I'm still in Copenhagen. Actually, I made last week video yesterday. So today I will show you how I will do with the leftovers of yesterday's spinach. If you didn't watch it, here you will find the link or there down in the description below and at the end of this video. So I will have the opportunity to show you a little bit more of this beautiful city. Today we will go in a very special place. If you like architecture and art and design, don't miss the walk that we will do after the recipe. But now let's go to the kitchen and let's start preparing two different frittatas. The ingredients for today's low-carb, high-fat dish are 3 eggs for each frittata, then some salt and pepper for the seasoning, butter for cooking, and finally boiled spinach and broccoli in order to personalize our breakfast. As I told you in the intro, up here in the description below and at the end of this video, you can find last week's spinach recipe that you can follow also to prepare this broccoli. Let's start our recipe by breaking 3 eggs in one plate and the other 3 in another plate. Then we can season all of them with pepper and salt. I really like this freshly grounded black pepper, but feel free to use your favorite one. Even the green, red or white peppers are really delicious and very tasty. Before cooking, stir your eggs vigorously so they will mix with the seasoning. Then they will be ready to become a basic frittata. To do that, I highly recommend to warm some salty butter. You could use olive oil too, but the taste of butter with the eggs is truly delicious. As you can see, I'm using a non-sticky pan, and if you watch my previous videos, you already know that I'm not a big fan of them because there are some concern about how healthy the non-sticky material is, but in rented apartments you will only find this kind of pans, and I have to admit that they are really practical, especially when you cook a frittata. Our first one will be a broccoli frittata, so we are going to top it with our boiled broccoli. To prepare your vegetables, you just have to boil them in salty water, and to give them an extra touch, you can finish the cooking in a pan with olive oil, butter and powdered garlic. This recipe is really easy but really yummy, and it works well with a lot of different veggies. I always cover the frittata with a lid because in this way also the top part will cook a little bit and it will be easier to flip. The lid is also a great tool that will help you with the dangerous flipping move. And as you can see, also a goofy home chef like me can get an acceptable result. I don't know why, but the lid will also help you to make your frittata more fluffy, so don't forget it. And here is the first breakfast dish. Now I will use the same and only pan with the same and only lid to prepare our second frittata. The technique is exactly the same. First step, melting some salty butter in our non-sticky pan. Second step, pouring the 3 eggs mixed with salt and pepper. Third step, topping with our boiled spinach that have more flavor because after boiling and squeezing all the water out, I cook them in this same and only pan with olive oil, butter and powdered garlic, exactly like I did with the previous broccoli. Fourth and last step, flipping safely our frittata, pushing it a little bit so the other side will cook too, and after a few seconds, serving this second ketogenic breakfast. I really hope you like today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. In this channel you can see how to live a ketogenic lifestyle during years. We started on September 2014 and we are still enjoying it. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and to follow our ketogenic adventure, because every Monday I will post a video in English, every Wednesday I will post the same video in Spanish, and every Friday it will be uploaded in Italian. Today we will visit a new area designed by a famous Danish architect called Bjarke Ingels. He made projects for amazing buildings all over the world, from a beautiful skyscraper in Manhattan at the World Trade Center to impressive residences here in Stockholm at the edge of Gärdet, a treasure national park, and in 2016 even the prestigious pavilion in London's Kensington Gardens. But everything started here, in this Copenhagen suburb, easily reachable by train. You have probably noticed my excitement, but this place is truly special because this architect had so many great ideas, and I hope I will be able to explain you some of them. This first building is called Mountain Dwellings because it looks like a mountain, but this is a very clever way to hidden the multi-story car park and to give a little garden to every apartment. This is a mosaic that shows the happy architect's face. He is also very handsome. From the outside, you can enjoy a giant peak of Himalaya made with perforated aluminum plates that protects the car from the wind and the rain, but let the light and the air get inside the parking. And this is the front of the building with all the little gardens. On springtime it is spectacular, but winter colors are beautiful too, especially in a sunny day like this one. This is another genius idea. Every apartment have 2 floors, so the living area can benefit from a beautiful double high. But the builder can also save a lot of money by building 1 corridor every 3 floors. The window with 3 glasses is the only corridor, and some people can go into their home from the top floor and other from the bottom one. Design must be useful to be great. Next to this beauty you can see the V&M buildings, called like this because they have the shape of the V and M letters. We are now at the V1, as you can see, watching these beautiful and unusual balconies. I hope you liked our walk, and I'd love to finish my video by showing something that I really admire in this country, the bicycles culture. This is the parking at the train station downtown Copenhagen.